one of the most important things for a Jedi warrior is to have a lightsaber. So we are going to make a lightsaber out of pool noodles. So what you're going to do is very carefully, using a knife and cutting board, cut the pool noodle in half. And if you're not comfortable using knives, ask a parent to help you. And then you just want to take some silver duct tape and just duct tape the bottom. Now I'm also going to put some duct tape on the bottom across as well, just so that it has a solid silver bottom instead of seeing the pool noodle on the bottom. So I'm going to do one across this way, and then I'll also do one across the other way. And then starting from the bottom, I'm going to go all the way around. And then as you go around, just move the layer up just a little bit. So the second layer is coming down just a bit as you go around. And that will cover the entire pool noodle. So you want to go up as much as, just to give you a handle. So you can decide how much of a handle you want. And when you get to the top, instead of going at an angle, right now I'm going up at an angle like this. Kind of want to make it go more straight across. So you have a finished straight edge. So just go around a couple times so you have an edge that you are happy with. And there you go. And you can put some black electrical tape or hockey tape on there to decorate the bottom as well. Now the most important thing that you need with a lightsaber is a kyber crystal. Now kyber crystals are very rare crystals that grow in caves around the galaxy. And they are what give the lightsaber its energy and its light. And it also connects the user and the lightsaber to the Force. So it's important to decide what color you want, because every crystal has different energies. So Yoda has a green lightsaber, so he would need a green kyber crystal. So what we're going to do is I'm going to teach you how to make your own edible crystals. So the first thing that you need to do is make a super soluble solution. So what that is you are going to heat up 3 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water. You don't want it to let it boil, so you just want to let it heat up until all the sugar molecules have dissolved. And the solution will have so much sugar molecules in it that it can't hold anymore. And all those molecules are searching for somewhere to cling to. So we want to provide them with that. So what it needs is it needs a seed crystal. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a skewer and wet it with water or in the solution, and then put it in regular sugar, and you're going to let that dry. If you don't let it dry, it will just come off in the solution and nothing will stick to the skewer. So what you're going to do is after you have let this dry, Then you want to make your super soluble solution, and you want to let it cool. So if it's hot, then your seed crystals will just melt. So your sugar molecules in your solution won't have anything to cling to because they'll have melted into your solution. So make sure your solution is cool enough. Now, you need to decide what color of lightsaber you'd like. And then you want to just get some food coloring in a glass. And then I'm going to use a measuring cup and put some of the solution in my cup. Now, what you want to do is you can just stir that around a little bit. And then you're going to take a skewer and put it on top. And it's just going to rest on top. And then you want to take your skewer with the sugar molecules that have dried on there and put it in a clothespin. And you want to make sure that it's tight and it won't fall in. And then you just want to put your skewer inside, and you want the skewer to hang down but not rest on the bottom. So if you can pull it up a little bit so it doesn't rest on the bottom, that's perfect. Now, this is a slow process, so it does take some time. So this this crystal I had sitting for 4 days. I'm just starting to see crystals on there. Sometimes it's faster. I think my solution was a little too hot, but it is starting. And this one took about 3 weeks. So the longer you have your skewer in the solution, the bigger your crystal will be. Now, if you look really closely at the molecules on the crystal, you can see that the sugar crystals have 6 sides. Now, every molecule has a different form. So if you look closely, sugar has 6 sides. So this is how you make rock candy or kyber crystals. Now you can also add, if you want, you can add some flavoring into your water as well, and that will give your rock candy some taste. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for joining me.